Oh wow. Oh my god, this is so cool. They packaged for me a wig stand, which I think is very, very thoughtful. Oh, that's so sweet of them. And so this is the packaging. Luvme Virgin Hair. I really hope it looks the same online. So it comes in this bag. Oh wow. So it comes with 2 wig caps. Oh wow, this is actually cool. It comes with 2 wig caps, which is very thoughtful. It comes with a small purse that has what? Ooh, that has a rattle comb. Oh my god, it has this, what are these things called? The elastic band that makes it firm. That's nice. Oh, it has some clips, very thoughtful. Oh my god, it has a freaking tweezer. Yo, it has a tweezer. And some bobby pins. Oh, that is very, very thoughtful of them actually. I like it so far. So time to see the hair. Ooh. So, you know when you buy something online and you're very, very scared of how it will look? Ooh, wow. One thing, it doesn't have that bad smell, because I've bought wigs online before and oh my god, the smell, it just, Oh wow. Wow. I actually love this. Oh my god. Oh my god, guys. This will literally look like my hair. I kid you not. And it has that elastic band, which is very, very thoughtful. It has how many hooks? 1, 2, 3. It has 4 hooks inside. And this is the hair. This is the hair. So continue watching the video and see how I'll slay this hair in a minute, because I feel like it exactly looks how it looks online. I just have to customize it. Cute. I was pretty excited. They gave me a wig head, some clips, bobby pins, some tweezers. The packaging was pretty nice. Like, Luvme Hair, thank you. That packaging. And guys, the compliments I've gotten so far has just given me self-confidence, and I'm like, oh my god, I need to purchase more wigs from them. Because first, they are very affordable and it's true to image. Because when I was ordering that wig, the model put there, I'll put the photo here, looks very, very beautiful, and I was like, will I look like her? Will I look like her? But to be honest, it looks exactly the same. Hands down, the best wig website, online thingy that I've seen so far. So before I mumble and bumble, let me wear the wig so you can see what I'm talking about, right? So Baba is satin bonnet. So let me wear the wig, yeah? This is my parting. I'm never a huge fan of middle parts, so what I do is I move it to the side before I put the clips in. I get the perfect position. You can literally put it any side you want to. It's up to you. It's a free world. It's a free world. Can you just see how gorgeous it looks? And we're not done because we still need to customize it a little bit. So as you can see from the pattern, it is not as, where is it? I'm sorry. It is not as thick as I would want it, because I want the most realistic pattern ever. So we are going to widen it out and put it, let it go a little bit deeper. Or probably it's okay there, I don't know. And since they gave me these amazing clips, they really do help even before I do anything with the wig, just put it into place. So we want to widen this part, and also since they're amazing, they gave me tweezers because they just knew we need to customize this shit. So let's do this. I'm just going to pre-pluck it. Oh, and another thing is that the knots, the lace comes pre-bleached, and that is amazing. That is just kudos. I think that's pretty enough. And as you can see, I've not even put any powder product, but it's kind of blending with my skin tone. And oh, that is a plus. So the next thing I do, this wig by the way doesn't need glue. No glue is needed. It's up to you. If you like that glue look, good for you, sis. Just take care of your hairline. And also if you hate the glue like I do, you don't have to, which is amazing. So it's very versatile for all women. So I do love baby hair, and that's what I want to do now, just to give it a kind of sleek look. And since it's a curly, very bouncy hair, I'm only going to put baby hair where the pattern is. So let's do this. Later, I've laid the wig and I've just styled it to my preference. And the last step, powder, just to make the pattern completely similar to my skin tone. Perfect. Tell me this wig is not perfect. Now it blends in completely with my skin tone. It looks like it's literally growing out of my head. Oh my god. And the color pattern is really amazing. As you've seen, you don't need glue. Honestly, I hate glue because it really messed up with my hairline. And this wig is pretty natural. You don't need glue at all.